nth order differential equations. Nth order differential equations. That means d raised to pi ny by dx raised to pi n plus d raised to pi n minus 1 y by dx raised to pi n minus 1 and so on, that will proceed. These such type of equations we call them as nth order differential equations. How will you find the solution for such type of differential equations? How will you find? Like, suppose if I have d cube y by dx cube, so I should write this thing as m cube. That is what is we call it as converting the differential equation into auxiliary equation. Converting differential equation into auxiliary equation. After converting into auxiliary equation, suppose m cube plus m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0, likewise. Then find the roots of m. After finding roots, just remember, while solving problems you will get completely understood. So m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m3 is equal to and so on m. Such case, then complementary function can be given as c1 plus c2x plus c3x square plus c4x raised to power. This depends on number of terms. If you have only two roots, only you get two terms, plus and so on into e raised to pi mx. Okay, then next is if you have m1 not equal to m2 not equal to m3 not equal to and so on, then complementary function can be given as c1 e raised to pi m1x, c2 e raised to pi m2x, c3 e raised to pi m3x, and you have to continue till how many roots you have in the equation, auxiliary equation. Then if you have complex roots, m is equal to a plus r minus ib, then complementary function can be written as c1 cos beta x plus cos bx, okay, plus c2 sin bx into e raised to pi ax. This is the thing. If you have four complex roots, a plus r minus ib, a plus r minus ib, then complementary function can be written as c1 plus c2x cos bx, c1 plus c2x cos bx plus c3 plus c4x sin bx into e raised to power ax. Hope you are getting. So remember these four formulas. These we call it as complementary functions, four different cases. Okay, let us solve problems so that you will get idea. Let us solve problems. Problem number 23. What is there? The solution to the ordinary differential equation. They have given some differential equation. So convert this into auxiliary equation, m square plus m minus 6. m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. Then you have to find the solution. So see, if here it is 0 is equal to that side, if it is 0, then solution is y is equal to complementary function. If you have some function is equal to this side, then complementary function plus particular integral will come. But here it is 0, so you don't have any particular integral. So directly y is equal to complementary function only. So first find roots of this equation, m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. How can I write this thing? I want 6 minus 6. I can write m square plus 3m minus 2m. Is it okay? So if I multiply 3 into minus 2, I will get minus 6 and I will get plus m. So m plus 3 minus 2 m plus 3. So what are the roots I am getting? 2 comma minus 3. The roots are different. This is m1, m2. Roots are different. So complementary function can be written as c1 e raised to pi m1x, that is 2x, plus c2 e raised to pi m2x, that is e raised to power 3x. So y equal to complementary function only. So this is the solution. Which option is correct? c1 e raised to power 2x, c1 e raised to power 2x, e raised to power minus 3x. c1 c2 may change, no problem, that thing will be there. Okay, option C is correct. Let us solve problem number 24. This is also quite similar problem. What they are saying, d square y, that means d square y means what you will write? Problem number 24, d square y means m square plus y is 1. Here also y means 1 only, y is equal to 1. So m square is equal to minus 1, m is equal to root over minus 1, that is m is equal to plus r minus I. I can write this thing as 0 plus or minus 1 into I, that is a plus or minus bi. That means these are complex roots. So how will you write solution? Y is equal to complementary function only. Why? Because you have 0 here. So y is equal to complementary function is equal to e raised to power 0x into c1 cos x, that is c1 cos 1x plus c2 sin 1x. Okay, so I am getting it as p. I can write p cos x plus q sin x. Why I am writing? Because by seeing options, p cos x plus q sin x. He is assuming constants as p and q. I have assumed constants as c1 and c2. So convert them p q cos x sin x. So option A is correct. Let us solve problem number 25. X double dot is nothing but, no need to worry, that is d square x by dt square. Okay, that means 2 second. That thing is m square plus 3 equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 3. M is equal to, I can write it as root over minus 3. So m is equal to plus or minus root 3i. That means 0 plus or minus root 3i. So complementary function is equal to e raised to power 0x c1 cos root 3x plus c2 sin root 3x. Okay, then what do we have? X of 0 equal to 1. X of 0, this is the solution y. Then x of 0 is equal to 1. X of 0 equal to 1. That means what? Y equal to 0 at x equal to 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 1. I am just doing transformation of this given condition. So y will get 1 is equal to cos 0 1 sin 0 0. So c1 value is 1. Then apply another condition. What is that? X dot of 0 equal to 0. So first find x dot, that is dy by dx. First find dy by dx. That will be root 3 c1 sin root 3x minus, you will get, plus root 3 c2 sin cos root 3x. If I substitute 0 0, substitute 0 0 equal to sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So root 3 c2 equal to 0, that is c2 equal to 0. So complete complementary function I can write it as c1 is 0, c1 is 1, c2 is 0, c2 0, c1 is 1. So cos root 3x is my solution. What they are asking? X of 1, substitute 1 here. What you will get? Y is equal to cos root 3. If you are substituting cos root 3 into 1, that is wrong. Why? Because you have to convert into degrees, 180 by pi, because this is trigonometric function, as we were discussing in our previous lectures, the same thing. So which option you are getting by doing so? Which is the option you are getting? I am just doing with the calculator, you people do. Minus 0.16, maybe minus 0.16, you just check. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this thing, you can ask me. So maybe 0.16.